If you are looking for an AI tool to help with content creation, automation, or creative work, you have probably come across Kie.ai and Lovart. Both platforms use AI, but they focus on very different things. In this video, I'll quickly compare Kie.ai and Lovart based on features, ease of use, pricing, strength, and who each platform is best for. And for now, let's get started. What is Kie.ai? Kie.ai is mainly focused on AI API services and automation tools for developers and businesses. It provides access to AI models and tools that can be integrated into apps, workflows, websites, and software projects. Kie.ai is more technical and is designed for users who want scalable AI solutions rather than simple drag and drop creative tools. Main features of Kie.ai: AI APIs for automation, model integration tools, developer focused workflows, scalable cloud infrastructure, AI powered business solutions, custom integrations. Pros of Kai.ai: good for businesses and developers, flexible API access, scalable for larger projects, useful for automation. Cons of Kai.ai: not beginner friendly, requires more technical knowledge, limited creative design features. What is Lovart? Lovart is an AI powered creative platform focused more on design, content generation, and visual creativity. It's built for creators, marketers, designers, and users who want fast AI generated content without dealing with coding. Lovart focuses heavily on simplicity and creative workflows. Main features of Lovart: AI image generation, creative design tools, content creation assistance, fast visual generation, beginner friendly interface, social media content support. Pros of Lovart: easy to use, great for creators and marketers, fast content generation, beginner friendly. Cons of Lovart: less powerful for developers, limited advanced customization, not ideal for complex automation. Kai.ai versus Lovart key differences. Number one, target audience. Kie.ai is mainly for developers, startups, and businesses. Lovart is better for creators, designers, and marketers. If you need APIs and automation, Kie.ai makes more sense. If you want fast visual content and simple AI tools, Lovart is the better option. Ease of use. Lovart is much easier for beginners. The interface is simple and most tools work with minimal setup. Kie.ai has a steeper learning curve because it focuses on technical integrations and AI workflows. Features: Kai.ai focuses on APIs, automation, AI infrastructure, workflow integration. Lovart focuses on creative tools, AI design, content generation, visual creation. So the better platform depends entirely on what you actually need. Pricing: both platforms may offer pricing tiers depending on usage. Kai.ai pricing is usually more usage based because of API access and infrastructure services. Lovart typically focuses on creator friendly subscription plans. For updated pricing, check their official websites. Which one should you choose? Choose Kai.ai if you are a developer, if you need AI APIs, if you want workflow automation, and if you are building scalable AI projects. Choose Lovart if you create social media content, if you want AI generated visuals, if you need beginner friendly tools, and if you focus on design and creativity. Final verdict and conclusion. Kai.ai and Lovart are built for completely different audiences. Kai.ai is better for technical users and AI integrations. Lovart is better for creators who want fast and simple AI-powered design tools. So the best choice really depends on whether you care more about automation and APIs or creativity and content generation. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. And tell me down below in the comments which option will you go for, Kai.ai or Lovart. Thanks for watching and see you in a new comparison video.